guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today I am doing part of my Christmas wrapping, but I'm making a gift basket for a friend and I wanted to share that with you guys because I think it's a great gift. It's a really nice option for a present and you don't have to go necessarily pre-made run-of-the-mill. You can make your own. Not that the pre-made ones that you purchase aren't great because they are and they're usually really delicious, but I wanted to show you making your own kind of gift basket, which can also be a really fun personalized present to give to somebody and just kind of how to do that. So I will, I guess, link what I made if you want it because some of it's kind of cool down in the description along with my socials and we'll get right into it. First off, I made a little table today. There we go. So I found my basket, which is this cute little wooden sleigh. How cute is that? So it's like Santa's sleigh. It's green and red and adorable. It's just made out of wood. It's probably about 8 by 5 inches, the inside, and then these extend farther, but I'm just gonna put that right there. And it does show up perfectly on camera. Awesome. And then what I chose to go in it is coffee. I got this off Amazon, actually. It's the Wild brand coffee, and this is from Sidamo, something like that, in Ethiopia. The reason I got this is because my friend had mentioned that she really loves Ethiopian coffee and that it's the only coffee she's ever had that reminds her of blueberries. So I went on, I've never had it, I went on the reviews and I found this one and all of the reviews had really good reviews of this and they said that it's the closest one to having actual Ethiopian coffee in Ethiopia and that it tastes like blueberries and that it's wonderful, so I bought this one. I will link it below. I have not had it, so the reviews say it's awesome. Go ahead, give it a try if you want, but I've never had it, so I can't tell you whether or not it's delicious. Hopefully it is because she's getting it, but that's going right in there. Behind that, because it's slightly larger in size, like it's just bigger. Actually, maybe I can do this. Yeah, that's better. I'm going to be putting just a little chocolate sampler pack. This has white chocolate, velvety smooth milk chocolate, rich dark chocolate, and intensely dark chocolate. So yeah, these are good. I have had these. They're delicious. They're the Prestat. I really need to start using things I can pronounce, but this is delicious, delicious, delicious chocolate. It's from the UK, I think. I think this one's from Great Britain. Says so somewhere on here. Yes, made in Great Britain. This is good chocolate. It's actually got like a little seal on the top that says, by appointment to Her Majesty the Queen, purveyors of chocolate. So, you know, if it's good enough for the Queen of England, it's good enough for me. But seriously, this stuff is amazing. I haven't actually found a whole lot of chocolate that I don't love, so yeah, but this is really good stuff. So that's going right in back. Behind that, I found this cute little towel. It's like a tea towel, and it's a flour sack kitchen towel is what they're called, and it's got a little thing on the back that explains, for the past 100 years, flour sack towels have remained the cook's favorite choice for towels. Originally, they were salvaged fabric from old flour or grain sacks. After the flour was used, the cotton sack was bleached, washed, and trimmed. Over time, it became the flour sack towel we know and love today. Flour sack towels are famous for their absorbency and softness, great for drying dishes. I love that end, like ... great for drying dishes. Okay. But it's cute. This one is a tree. It's a decorated Christmas tree with all the little ornaments and the sparkles and the lights, so I like that. And I mean, everybody needs like a hand towel or a dish towel or, you know, something. It doesn't really matter. But it's going in the back. It's really cute. I like it. And it's festive. It's got the tree. Nothing in here really screams Christmas, so I wanted something that was like Christmas. So that's why that's going in there. Along with the coffee, because that is the main theme of this gift. I'm trying to do it as a theme, so coffee and chocolate and a towel for when you spill, obviously. I got this cute little mug. It's monogrammed with an initial from my friend. But the inside is super cool. It's swirly. It's a Molly and Hatch cup. They had a whole bunch of different ones. The cool thing about this is each cup was a different design. Like mine, the S, was much shorter and a little bit wider and a different shape, and inside was blue with polka dots. So each initial had a different shape, which I thought was cool. So I'm just gonna tuck that right in here, and the handle's gotta go back. And this is perfect because everything fits, but everything fits snugly. You're not gonna get a whole lot of movement around. Ooh, sorry camera. You're not gonna get a whole lot of movement around, which is good because I have to ship this. And then I also included a card, which basically I explained why I chose the items I did in here. Also, it's just like a happy holidays, Merry Christmas, I miss you. So this is where you put the real, you know, personal touch on. And also if you made interesting choices, like the coffee, I explained like, hey, I remember several months ago you said you liked this coffee, here's my attempt to find it. So that all goes in the card. It makes it very personal, really lovely, and just lets them know if it's not a super standard gift, why? So here is the overall finished gift basket. It's really cute. It kind of looks exactly like one you would get in the store, which is awesome. And then the next step is to wrap it. So I'm gonna move this just to the side like that. I do apologize if this gets loud. It's plastic. Sometimes that picks up weird on the camera microphone. But you can buy plastic bags for wrapping gift bags. I did. It's a little bit big, but I'm just gonna trim it. So, maybe not. It might work. I mean, it's definitely big, but it's gonna work. So, basically just open it up. They're wide at the bottom, which is nice. There we go. So this is what makes it look professional because it's wrapped in plastic, and that screams professional. It does. So basically just wrap it. Like I said, it's a little big, but it's not a big deal. These bows are awesome. They're the kind that you pull and they make a really fancy bow. And honestly, they never stop being fun. Like, I've used them for years. They just are. They're so much fun. So you do that. They kind of look like little sausage links. They've got a little plastic thing holding them in place. Then you open them up and pull, and then keep your hands here in case you've never used them before. And they will create a bow as you pull it. Oops. And sometimes they get spun a little bit. That's why I don't do it super fast. That way you can make sure it works out nice and pretty. Just like that. And then I always tie like a little half knot when I'm done. I don't think you have to, but I don't want it to get loose, so I just always tie like a little, you know the little knot you do before you tie a bow, just the crisscross and under, just like that. There we go. Now it's not going anywhere. So this you can go, well I won't do it on this side, but to face the camera I'll do it on your side and wrap it around. These bows are perfect for big presents too because the little strings come down and then you can tie up the whole parcel. Just tie in a little bow in the back. Just like that, and that's it. So this is a gift I'm actually giving to a friend. It's a little gift basket, but it's a fun personalized present, something that you can really kind of make unique and, you know, suit to the person who doesn't love coffee and chocolate, everyone, but it's a little bit personalized based on, you know, the kind of coffee or chocolate or anything else you put in here that you choose. I hope you like this video. Like I said, I'll link everything down in the description because the coffee seems really cool. The chocolate I know is delicious. And the cups are pretty cool too. So I'll see, I mean, I can't find all of the letters on there because that's going to be crazy, but I'll find something and I'll link it down there in case you really like the cups. I'll link my socials in the description as always. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Go ahead, consider subscribing if you want to see more of me. I'd love to see more of you, and I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon. Bye.